But where's the WRX? Where is it? I don't see it. But I do see a Forester. Right there to be exact. It's been real, Freshmobile. Arturo's the man. If you guys want to buy a Subaru, go see my boy Arturo at Frank Subaru. Yeah, so I traded in my WRX for a lot of reasons, and mainly because I needed more functionality out of the vehicle. I needed more space. I needed more just comfort in general. I have 2 kids now. I have a 2-year-old and I have like a 3-week-old. So I needed more space. I needed a place to like change my kids, and the WRX just wasn't cutting it. Because hey, you like that Subaru Ambassador hat, by the way. Got a video on that coming out after this. But anyways, I needed more space. I needed more practicality out of my car, and keeping the WRX was an option, but at the same time it just wasn't, it wasn't, that car didn't do enough for me in order to keep it. I mean, if this was like some kind of dream car or something like that, I may have kept it. Or if it was an STI hatch, I probably would have kept the car as well. You know, considering it was, you know, couldn't fit 2 car seats comfortably with all my wife and I, and then the 2 kids in there comfortably. It was going to be tight. Doable, but tight. So I just made a decision to just go ahead and trade it in for the Forester XT that you just saw. And I couldn't be happier because I actually really do love this thing. I do have install videos for this car, and so stay tuned for those. You know, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like and comment. Maybe comment on some things that you guys might want to see done to the Forester. Look at this mess back here. This needs to be cleaned. Anyways, the WRX just was not doing it for me. It wasn't rubbing my fancy anymore. Do I love it? Do I miss it? Yeah, I do, but I love and I enjoy actually driving this. It's weird, a little bit more? Maybe not more. Maybe I just love it driving in a different way. You know, don't get me wrong, I love rolling through the gears, but you know, driving in traffic and then, you know, having to calm 2 kids down and driving stick is just, that's just not the business, let's be honest. And for a lot of you, your parents, you'll understand that. The rest of the video is vlogging, kind of highlighting the reasons why, but also throwing in some nice accelerations and nice turbo whooshy sounds for you folks. So enjoy the vlog. Man, why am I selling this car again? Goodness. Wait a little bit. That sounds good. So you might ask, hey Ian, okay, so you're selling a Freshmobile, the WRX. What the hell are you gonna buy that's more functional? Well, that's a good question. So let me explain myself. Well, I don't want to completely sacrifice a sporty vehicle. I want something that's still relatively quick, and quite honestly, it's kind of nice to not have to drive manual in traffic. And I think that is a universal thing that people will agree upon. So I wanted to stick with Subaru. I wanted a vehicle that's higher. I wanted something that would be able to take me, woo, sounds good. Something that will be able to take me off-road. I wanted a hatch design, like a lifted tailgate. So I ended up making the decision to go with the Subaru Forester XT. So orders in, put a deposit down, but the thing that's cool is that the deposit's actually fully refundable. So If I, for whatever reason, I change my mind between now and when the car arrives, I can say, hey, you know, I want to keep my car because I love it so much and I'm having second thoughts. But I think that's pretty cool. Let's get some accelerations here, folks. So this car has served its purpose. It's been a fantastic car. I think it is way better than the previous model, the 11 to 14 WRX and STIs, just because it's just a new platform. It's a new engine, it's a new chassis, it's just nice. So I don't feel like I'd be sacrificing a lot of sportiness anyways. You know, whatever I lose, I would make up in more functionality with the vehicle. You know, down the road, when my girls get older, like I want to go do like bike rides down the beach, or, you know, whatever, go camping in the mountains around here, around the San Diego area. And I can't really do that with my WRX. So, you know, the Forester will handle that, no issues, no problem. I want my passengers, you know, my kids and my wife or whoever's driving the front seat with me, to be more comfortable, because with both car seats in, this passenger seat, this front passenger seat would be very kind of smushed up here, their knees. You know, people's knees are about an inch or two away from this, and the car seat is rear facing. You know, and the car seat we want our kids, for those of you who don't know, this is like a, you know, parent nugget, I guess, knowledge nugget. If you have your kids sitting upright in their car seat and they fall asleep, there's a chance for their airway to get cut off. That's not good. And you hear stories of people looking back and their kids are freaking dead because they fell asleep and their airways were cut off. So you don't want to do that. So you want to have a car seat that reclines and has their head lay back so that they can actually breathe. So when they fall asleep, we recline it and then we slide the front passenger seat forward. Well, when that's done, like I said, it's pretty tight here in the front seat. So I want something that's going to be comfortable for everyone, and that car is going to pretty much do the trick. So I'm really excited. So that's all for the video. Hopefully you guys like the vlog. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down in the video whether or not you think, would you have done the same thing with a growing family and different priorities and needs? You know, is functionality or practicality a major thing for you folks? Or no, it's just, you know, who cares about that? Just go straight for the race car all the time. Let me know. Just curious to hear. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you folks next time. Take care.